10x replacement electric toothbrush heads for Philips Sonicarc E-Series HX7001, HX7022, HX7002, HX7002, HX9500, HX9552, HX9553, HX9562. 10x replacement electric toothbrush heads for Philips Sonicarc E-Series HX7001, HX7022, HX7002, HX7002, HX9500, HX9552, HX9553, HX9562. If you're looking for a replacement toothbrush head for your Philips Sonicarc E-Series toothbrush, then you've come to the right place. These 10 replacement heads are compatible with all Philips Sonicarc E-Series models, including the HX7001, HX7022, HX7002, HX7002, HX9500, HX9552, HX9553, and HX9562. The heads are made from soft, durable nylon bristles that are gentle on your teeth and gums. They also have a